In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shipping address on Dhgate. Adding your address correctly ensures your orders arrive smoothly and helps you avoid delivery delays. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few quick tips along the way. First, open your browser and go to dhgate.com. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in so you can access your checkout page and saved addresses. Once you're on the site, look to the right-hand side of the page where you'll typically see your cart and checkout options. Click on Checkout to move to the Order Placement page. Here, find the section labeled Ship to My Address. This is where Dhgate shows your current shipping address if you have one. To change it or add a new one, click on Change. That will open your address list or a window where you can manage your addresses. Next, select Add New Address. You'll see a form to enter your details. Begin by selecting your country or region from the drop-down. Make sure you pick the correct country, since that determines which fields are required and how your address will be formatted for local carriers. Enter the contact name exactly as it appears for deliveries in your area. Using your full real name helps couriers verify the package, especially in buildings with front desks or secure mail rooms. Now enter your street address. Include building numbers, street names, and any apartment, suite, or floor details. If your area doesn't accept delivery to P.O. boxes, use a physical address. Keep the address clear and avoid special characters that carriers might not recognize. Select your city. If a list appears, choose the correct one from the suggestions to avoid spelling mistakes. Then enter your state, province, or region, matching your local postal format. Consistency here helps shipping services route your package correctly. Type your zip or postal code carefully. A single digit off can misroute the parcel, so double check it, especially if you've recently moved or your area has multiple codes. Enter your mobile or phone number, including the country code if required. Couriers often call or text if they need delivery instructions, so use a number you can answer during delivery hours. Before saving, some accounts show an option to set this as your default address. If you want every order to ship here, enable that. Finally, click Save. You should now see your new address listed under Ship to My Address. Select it if needed, and you're ready to continue with checkout. That's it! Your shipping address on Dhgate is set up and ready for your next order.